Ship to Unveiled, making sense of English phrases. Hey everyone, today, we'll delve into a commonly used English phrase, ship to. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in different contexts. Let's sail into it. Ship, in English, often refers to a large vessel that travels on water, but it can also mean to send or transport goods. The word to is a preposition that indicates direction or destination. When combined, ship to generally means to send or transport goods to a particular destination. To truly understand a phrase, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. I want to ship to Canada. This means someone wants to send a package or goods to Canada. 2. Does your company ship to Europe? Here, someone is inquiring if a company sends its products to Europe. 3. We don't ship to P.O. boxes. This statement indicates that a business does not send items to post office box addresses. Sometimes, you might come across other terms that convey a similar idea. Here are some related phrases. 1. Deliver to. This is another way of saying, ship to. It emphasizes the action of handing over the item to the recipient. 2. Send to. A broader term, it doesn't necessarily imply sending tangible items. It could be letters, emails, or messages. 3. Dispatch to. Often used in more formal contexts or business settings. It means to send off a shipment or a consignment. And there you have it. The phrase, ship to, demystified. Remember, language is all about context. And understanding these little phrases can make a big difference in your fluency. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep sailing on your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next one.